Why are you sitting up like that, Joe?
Because I want to have good posture.
All right, guys, happy hump day. It's Wednesday. Joe and I are here to give you guys a little update. As you know, the market is super tight. There's not a lot of inventory, but we kind of want to give you guys an update on some things that are coming up. So we're going to go over a few properties. This is for consumers. This is for agents. Anybody who needs a house in these areas. We're going to give you an update of what's coming in the next 2 to 4 weeks, actually. So we've got one coming up in Marina View Townhome. What's that going out at, Joe?
Yes, that one's going to be $275 is what we're looking at. 2-story townhome, very nice inside, and it should be coming up within the next 2 to 3 weeks.
Perfect.
I'll be hitting the market.
We got one in Bay Glen. Work's being done right now. Those of you who know Bay Glen has been hot. There's not a single active property on the market in there. It's going to be a 4-bedroom master down. Going to have it's going to go out at about $265, $275. We've got 2 homes in Camino South. Pictures are being taken today. There's only 2 available homes in Camino South. The one that pictures being taken at today is going out at $240. We got one possibly going out next week at $220. We've got one in Humble.
Yeah, that's going to be a estate sale. Home needs quite a bit of work. It's going to be priced at about, I think we're going to go out at $200. It's over 3,200 square feet, so it's a large house. So if you're got any investor type clients that are looking for something, this could be a good option up there. It's just north of Bush Airport. And that one will actually be hitting the market today.
Perfect.
So keep an eye on that.
We've got one in Brittany Lakes, a 1-story, 3-bedroom, 2.5 bath at the back of the neighborhood. That's going to go out at about $250. We've got one in Lake City on Colonel Court.
That one's actually Colonel Court's actually Richmond, and that one's thinking about the next 30 days or so. That one will be ready. Again, that's actually a 2-story as well. It's a 3-bedroom. Has a massive yard. It's one of the largest lots in that community. So if you have anybody that's looking for a larger type yard down the 59 corridor, or I guess they call it 69 corridor down south, that could be a good option for some of your clients.
We've got 2 coming up in University Green. Go ahead and tell them about those, Joe.
Yes, one is one of the townhomes on Broadlawn, and then another one is one of the townhomes on Holly Trail. Those should be having some last minute things being done on those. Those should be coming on the market again in the next 2 to 3 weeks.
We got another one in Heritage Park. Again, my man Joe Haas here, right-hand man here. He's got it.
Yeah, the Heritage Park one, that's about 2,600 square feet. We're going to be hitting the market probably around $280, $290 is what we're thinking. Again, that one's in the Heritage Park's estate section. Very large backyard. Kitchen's been renovated. Master bedroom's been renovated. Wood floors all throughout downstairs. Very clean house. Just turnkey ready. Just drop your furniture and move in.
Okay, we've got one in Pearland and Highland Glen. This is a 4-bedroom with a game room and an office. It's being freshly painted and new carpet. It is vacant. It is going to be a clean house, so that's coming out north of 300, 325. That'll be coming out in the next 2 weeks. We have one in Bay Knoll, actually a couple in Bay Knoll that are coming out. One's
about 2,600 square feet. We're just tidying up, having some work done. Carpet and paint to get it ready to go. It's a 4-bedroom, master bedroom downstairs. Again, that one within the next 3 weeks or so, once we get some of the work completed, it'll be ready to roll out.
And one thing we want to point out, we have clients who are using our 15K Renovate program. So our Meta Greenhouse, which went out last week, had 40 showings in 3 days. They're using that program. The house in Bay Glen, they are also using that program. So if you or anyone you know needs that program, let us know. You've got one in Sterling Lakes.
Yes, that one's down 288 South, just past Pearland. Large master plan community, homes on a cul-de-sac. It's about 2,800 square feet. That one's going to be coming within. That one may be a little bit longer, about 4 to 6 weeks. But that one's going to be super clean house. Looks new inside, open floor plan, large tall ceilings in the living area. So that one's going to be coming here shortly.
Now, lastly, we've got another one in Bay Colony. This is in Bay Colony Point West. Maybe in the next 30 days. It's a newer house. That would probably go out at about $220. So really, you know, if you agents have someone interested in properties, that some of the properties that we listed, I can't even talk today, let us know. If you as consumers or clients need help selling your house, there's a lack of inventory. A lot of these homes are going over list price, and we're here to help you in any way possible. Just give myself or Joe a call. or send us a text message, email. Our numbers are online. You can. My email is Jimmy@SimienProperties.com. Joe's is Joe@TeamSimien.com. Or send me an inbox message, and we'll get you guys taken care of. You got anything else, Joe?
Yeah, I was just gonna say the majority of all these listings are kind of in that sweet spot, 225 to 325, 350 range. So they're going to be in that super competitive market that we're in right now. So, like he was indicating, if any of you realtors have clients, just be ready. We're going to be, a lot of these are going to be turnkey, ready to go. So we put a sign on the yard. The demand is definitely going to be there. So we'll have all those coming here very shortly.
All right. Well, happy hump day, folks, and enjoy the rest of your week, and we'll talk to y'all soon. Thanks.